Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing the Grinch. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay, let's start in the middle of the paper with the nose. And this nose is gonna be small and looks like a letter A shape. Inside this shape, we're gonna do three more curves. One in the middle, there's gonna be the bigger one, and two little ones to the side. So one, and then let's do one more to the right side, and one more on the left. Next, we're gonna do the shape of the eyes. So next to this shape of the nose, I'm gonna do a curved line that goes to the right, and one to the left. Just like that. And I want to pass my marker twice just to make this line look thicker. There. Next, we are going to do the inside of the eyes, and I want to start with two little oval shapes next to the nose. And I'm making these oval shapes with the tip of the marker so the lines are thinner. And on the top, you can leave a little white space just to give some shine to the eye. And I'm leaving this space to the top left. I'm going to fill it with black and then that's it. Next, I'm going to start here on the bottom with a line that goes curved going up for the eye like this. And it doesn't touch the top part. Now let's do the same in the other side, going up. And now we're going to join these lines on the sides together here and here. Now the Grinch has eyelashes, so I'm going to start here in the middle of the eye, going up with little lines and going around a little bit. Let's do the same in the other side, just doing little lines, and I'm passing the marker twice just to make it thicker. Next, here in the middle, we're going to put a line because he's always crouching, and we're going to put a letter V on the top, and that's going to help looking more like grumpy. On the bottom, I want to repeat this same length of line down here. It's going to be the same size. And on the bottom, we're going to put a little dot. So now, next to the eyes, we're going to put two little curves. And these little curves are going to connect with the dot. And I'm going to start doing a curve, going down, and going to the dot. Let's do the same in the other side. We're gonna go down, curve, and now let's go to the dot with another curve. There. Next is gonna be his face. We're gonna start on the top here next to the eyes, and we're gonna do a line that goes down. And here the same thing, I wanna leave a space and a line that goes down. And now these ones are at the same level of the eyelashes. Here, I'm going to start doing some triangles going down just to make it look more like fur. And in the other side, the same. We're going to do curve, and then we're going to start doing these triangles down. And we're going to stop right there. Now I can join these two. I'm going to draw here the chin with a little curve underneath the mouth. And from this point, I'm going to join this here and join this one here. Perfect. Now let's do the hat, and the hat is gonna be letter U's that going all together, and we're gonna do these letter U's around. It's gonna look like a cloud, and just going slow so they are the same, or trying to be the same size. Next, we're gonna do the side of the hat, and we're gonna put it right here next to the eyes, and I'm just gonna do kind of like a leaf shape. So it's gonna look like this. Start on a point and curves, curve, and ends into a point, and we're gonna just close this end here. Now I'm doing a line that goes up straight in a diagonal. I'm going a curve. Now inside, we're gonna do another line that connects with this one. And to finish this hat, we're gonna go all the way around until we touch this point. So I want to start with a line that actually moves a little bit because it's fabric, and we don't want this line to be super straight. There. Now let's continue doing this same idea of the fluff of his hat around his neck, and these are little curvy lines or little U shapes. Next, we're gonna do the body, and we're gonna do a line that goes down and another one here, and we're gonna connect them with a curved line. Next, we're gonna do the bottom of the suit, and we're gonna copy the same idea that we did here, just these U shapes are gonna be a little bit smaller, and we're gonna go around the suit like this. Next, we're gonna do his legs, and I'm gonna do 2 diagonal lines, one on the left and one on the right, and make sure that you leave a space here in the middle, because we're gonna put a line here, and this line passes the 2 lines, and on the bottom we're gonna put a little curve. Now let's join these two with like a C shape around and another C shape around. We're gonna finish this drawing by doing his arms, and I want to start here on the left doing a curved line that goes down, and it's gonna have a little curve right here inside. Let's copy the same idea in the other side, 1 and 2. Now let's do more fluff, more of these curvy lines around, and these ones are gonna connect here. Let's do the same in the other side. And for the hands, I'm gonna do 2 little curvy lines down here. And we're gonna do one more line that is gonna go around and connects with the body. Around and connects. And there, that's it. We finished with this character of the Grinch, the grouchy Grinch. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my Grinch looks like. This is how he turned out. We just use 3 colors. We use green for the body, we use red for the suit and the hat, and yellow for the eyes. So I hope you like this lesson, and I hope you're enjoying drawing with me. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!